Hello everyone, my name is AiSPRY and here I am to present something very exciting. Now before I start, let me congratulate everyone. Now you must be thinking, why is she congratulating? Right? Now congratulations for upskilling in the field of data science and data analytics. Now upskilling is not a small step that you're taking. That is a very huge step that you're taking in your career, right? So, congratulations for that. Now, going forward, we will understand what is this is all about. So, this is about data analytics and crisp MLQ free internship. Now, when you hear this term free internship, uh, you will have a confusion. What you will learn over here, right? Let us understand that. So there will be mainly two phases as a part of internship. Let us understand that what you will see in both of these phases. So in the first phase, that would be the learning phase, right? In the learning phase, you will learn Python, SQL, data preliminaries, and understanding these topics, right? Now, we will be assessing you as well. Now, how this assessment will be, how we will understand whether we are active or not. There will be certain questions that will be posted in LinkedIn, right, on a daily basis, right? Now, you need to answer to these questions. Now, how do you answer these questions? In the form of a comment, you need to drop the answer. Now, what is the benefit of doing this? One is we will get to know how active you are over the LinkedIn or how actively you are participating in this internship. The second is your LinkedIn reach will also increase because of this daily activity, right? So that is very, very important. So this is something with respect to the first phase, right? Now, when it comes to the second phase, that is the project phase. Once you understand Python, SQL, and all the required data preliminaries, the project phase comes into the picture. You need to implement the theory, right? We shall assign an expert data scientist as your mentor, right? Who has a rich experience of working on real world projects, right? They will guide you throughout the project, like what are the steps needs to be taken, why we need to apply the steps, how to apply the steps, and if you have any kind of confusion, how to mitigate that, right? Those idea will be given by the mentor, that is an data scientist, right? There will be a daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes. Now you must be thinking, how do you connect with your mentor, right? Daily you will have a meetings for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday, to discuss what is done and what must be done for the next day, and any risk or challenges that you have. As I mentioned previously, any problem you face throughout the project, you can contact your mentor as well at any point of time, right? We shall discuss this when we reach this phase. Okay, when we reach this project phase, we will discuss a lot more about this. What project you will be working with, how it will be, about the data, what things you will do over there. In detail, we will have a discussion. Now, once you do this project or the entire internship, what is the benefit that you're going to get? You're going to get a certificate of completion along with the name, the project you have worked with, right? And the duration which you have worked with as well, right? Now, you must be thinking, when we are providing a certificate, are we going to charge anything? No. We're not going to charge even a single penny when you're registering to the internship, when you start to learn something, not even when you start the project, and not even when you get the certificate. This internship is completely free. Okay, so this is a free internship, and the certificate, of course, will also be free for you. Okay. So the program will start on 6th October 2025, and you will get notified in your WhatsApp community as well. You must be joined one WhatsApp community, right? So there you will be notified related to the project. Okay. Now, There are certain frequently asked questions related to internship programs. Let us see what could be the answers to them. Completion of learning phase, right? That participant must complete all learning modules before moving to the next task, right? You need to reach out to interns1@360digitmg.com if you need any kind of support, right? And next, where this contents will be given, all these things are given over your LMS. Now, LMS credentials, once you register, right? After that, LMS credentials may take up to 24 working hours to be issued. Now, patience is appreciated during this entire process, right? Internship continuation in case of emergency. If you're unable to complete the internship due to work commitments or any personal emergency, please email us at interns1@360digitmg.com. As mentioned earlier, we are here to support you, right? Include any relevant documentation or proof so that you feel that the problem that you're facing is genuine and you deserve a one more chance, right? You will be assigned an upcoming internship in case of any emergency. Internship certificate policy. Internship certificates will be issued only upon the successful completion of all required documents. Ultimately, there will be different phases in the different documents you need to fill up when it comes to your project. Documents in the sense related to the project. Okay. Failure to meet project submission deadlines will result in ineligibility for a certificate. Because you need to be adhere to your deadlines. Okay. Otherwise, you may not get the certificate. Delays in project submissions are not permitted. If a deadline is missed, interns will need to join the next project batch and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for the certificate. Right? So deadlines are very, very important over here, right? And if you have any confusion or questions, you can always reach out to us uh, following this phone number or email ID. You can write to us in this email ID, or you can also visit us when it comes to our website. Okay, you can check out our website once to understand more about us, of course. Yeah, there's some, yeah. You can check with the YouTube over here just to know what are the upcoming topics that we will be going with. And there are certain topics like data using Excel. You will get a lot immense idea over here. And there is something called as Industry Connect. What people actually need when it comes to real world, real corporate, correct? What people are expecting from the people, from the uh, employees probably, or the people who are joining them, correct? And there are, yeah, number of other contents as well which you can refer, and there are international research article publication interviews as well, right? And then Power BI sessions are there, SQL are there, multiple tableaus there, multiple things are there. You can go through these parts one by one and you can explore and you can always learn from this. So yes, that's it from my side. So do register over here and get started with your learning phase. Thank you, everyone.